CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.3 Given a scenario, use features and tools of the Microsoft Windows 10 operating system. Disk Defragmenter. Imagine your hard drive is like a stereotypical teenager's bedroom. Files are scattered all over the place, important documents are buried under piles of junk, and nothing is where it should be. This mess causes your hard drive to run really slowly, take forever to boot, and makes programs load at a snail's pace. This mess represents hard drive fragmentation. Luckily, we have Disk Defragmenter, a Microsoft Windows utility designed to improve your computer's performance by rearranging fragmented data on your hard drive. Basically, it is a super organized parent who comes in, picks everything up, and puts it all in order so you can actually find your socks in the morning. Before moving forward with this topic, let me explain a bit more about disk fragmentation. Over time, as files are created, deleted, and modified, they can become fragmented, meaning parts of a single file are scattered across different areas of the disk. This fragmentation slows down your computer because the hard drive has to work harder to gather the pieces of each file. Disk defragmentation is the process of consolidating fragmented files and free space on your hard drive. When a file is fragmented, your hard drive must search multiple locations to piece together the file, which takes more time and reduces efficiency. Defragmentation reorganizes the data so that each file occupies a single, contiguous block of space, making it faster for the hard drive to read and write files. This process can significantly improve your system's performance, especially when your hard disk drive is running slowly, taking a long time to boot, and is slow to load programs. To access the Disk Defragmenter utility using the Windows Run dialog box, you can follow these simple steps. First, press the Windows key along with the letter R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Next, type dfrgui.exe into the Run dialog box, and click OK. This command opens the Disk Defragmenter utility, where you can start optimizing your drives. Once launched, the Disk Defragmenter interface is straightforward and user-friendly. It displays a list of all the drives on your computer along with their current status. To check the fragmentation status of a selected drive, you can click the Analyze button. This will provide an idea of how fragmented the drive is and whether it needs defragmentation. If defragmentation is needed, clicking the Optimize button will start the process. This utility will reorganize fragmented data, consolidating files, and free space to improve performance. Additionally, Disk Defragmenter allows you to schedule regular defragmentation. You can set it to run automatically at specific intervals, ensuring your drives stay optimized without the need for manual intervention. So, the next time your computer feels sluggish, that might be your cue to call in the Disk Defragmenter. It's like hiring a professional organizer for your digital clutter, making sure everything is neat and tidy. Just remember, a well-defragmented drive is like a neatly organized closet, everything in its place and easy to find. So go ahead, give your hard drive the spring cleaning it deserves, and watch your computer thank you with faster performance and fewer headaches. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.